Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to activate your RBC Visa card. Yeah, so in the main page you're gonna click on services up there and then go to manage debit card. When you go there, you're gonna see activate card right there. يا عمي يا عمي يا عمي يا عمي يا عمي يا عمي يا عمي. Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to activate a Visa chip debit card or RBC. So when you go to the main page, you're gonna click on payments up there. What the fuck? Okay. Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to activate your RBC debit card. So when you go to the main page, right there, you're gonna click on services. After that, you're gonna click on manage debit card. You're gonna see this page. Click activate card. After you do that, you're gonna fill out this information: card number, CVV, and then set a pin. You're gonna choose any pin you want and confirm it. After that, you're gonna add accounts or verify RBC ATM. You're gonna add or verify your accounts. Also, you're gonna select account for point of sale devices. Then you're gonna submit, and like that you just have your card activated successfully.